On Sunday afternoon of November 23rd, at the Political Institute of Britain No. 4, HCM National Political Institute organized a scientific workshop themed Protecting the Ideology of the Party, Fighting Against Wrong and Hostile Viewpoints in New Situation, Theory and Practice.
Delivering the opening speech, Associate Professor Dr. Lê Văn Lợi, Vice Chairman of HCM National Political Academy, emphasized that protecting the party's ideology is protecting the party itself, its political platform, party's leadership, people, and state. The discussion of the delegates focused on clarifying the necessity, contents, forms, and subjects participating in protecting party's ideology and fighting against wrong and hostile viewpoints in new situations, as well as the achievements and lessons in implementing the resolution of the Politburo and proposals to increase the efficiency of resolution implementation in time to come. The scientific workshop on protecting party ideology and fighting against wrong and hostile viewpoints in new situations, theory and practice is a meaningful activity to boost collaboration between units in protecting party's ideology and refuting wrong and hostile viewpoints while contributing to the improved implementation of Resolution number 35 of the Politburo in the future.